Hi everybody, I'm Daniel Muldoon with Muldoon Associates, and today I'm giving you a lesson on 5 things that every successful landlord needs to know. Today, the 5 things that we're looking at, number 1 is going to be landlord-tenant law. This is going to vary per your municipality and your state and where you are and these types of things, and that's why it's important in my area, Colorado Springs and Pueblo, that we know what El Paso County rules are, Pueblo County rules are, and the municipalities that exist as well. And this way that we can make sure that we're following, our leases are in line with the laws, and the agreements that we have with the tenants are there, and we know the repercussions the tenants could possibly have as well in the landlord-tenant law realm. We also need to know protected classes, both federally, state, locally, county level. The protected classes can vary. The federally protected classes apply to everybody. State protected classes would obviously be in your state, county, and municipality, so make sure you know those as well. And then habitability laws in your area. In Colorado and Colorado Springs specifically, and Pueblo, our habitability laws are just kind of now coming into play. Prior to that, there were no habitability laws, so it was a pretty landlord-friendly situation. And then the landlords took advantage of it, and now they've implemented some habitability standards. So you just need to know in your area what those are so that you're complying with them and you don't run into any issues with possible tenant repercussions because you didn't comply with the habitability laws. You need to know the basic eviction process, posting notices and time frames and all the things that coincide with that. So if you do have to evict a tenant, you follow those steps accurately so that the process goes as smoothly as can be. I suggest hiring an attorney for the eviction process. If you're a professional property manager, you have to, unless you're also an attorney, because it requires a law license in order to do so. But if you're representing yourself, you can do the process on your own. But if you miss dates or deadlines, it's going to be problematic. So I recommend that you get an attorney, but you need to at least know the basic process and understand the timelines and how it works in your area. And then you also need to know how to screen tenants. When you're placing tenants, you need to be able to check criminal background and rental history and job history and all the things that factor into selecting a good tenant. So make sure that you have the software to do so, or you've got companies in place that can help you with that. Or if you're a property manager, that you're doing it thoroughly, because the landlord has a lot on the line in this type of relationship. The tenants have a security deposit of maybe 1 to 2 months, and the landlord has a house worth, 100, 200, 300, 400,000. So it's important that you select the right people to get in the property. So just as a quick sum up, the 5 we're looking at is landlord-tenant law, protected classes, habitability laws, basic eviction process, and screening tenants. Again, I'm Daniel Muldoon with Muldoon Associates, and I hope that you found this information helpful. Thank you.